Information security overview. So we're going to start to introduce to you some new concepts, new phrases, new ideas that you need to become familiar with. To that point, there's a famous quote by Sun Tzu, who wrote The Art of War. And in it, he said, "If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the results of 100 battles. If you know yourself, but not the enemy, for each victory gained you will also suffer defeat. If you know neither the enemy nor yourself, you will succumb in every battle." And this is so true when it comes to protecting ourselves or security and hacking. If you don't understand what the hacker can do to you, you will never be ahead of the game. So now it's time for you to start thinking like a hacker. What I mean by that is normally when I teach the classes live, I tell my students my job and responsibility is to make sure that you guys start thinking like, kind of like a criminal profiler. You need to think like the hacker so that you understand what's coming at you, how they're coming at you, which will result in how to protect yourself. Now, in order for us to start thinking like a hacker, we're going to go through and show you, first of all, the difference between hacking and ethical hacking. There's a huge difference here. We'll also go through and take a look at some of the fundamentals of information security. Why do we have security in place? What is its purpose? And making sure that that purpose meets the requirements that we have for our company. We'll also take a look at some new terminology that you may or may not be familiar with. We're going to introduce some new concepts, new terms, and hopefully make sure that they are clear to you. Then I'm going to talk to you about the technology triangle. This is a concept that everybody in the IT industry has to face, and the dilemma that we have with it.